Okay, you guys, what are we making today? Can you guess by the ingredients? Here are all the ingredients we will need. I will gather them all together. There we go. Bam, bam, bam. We are family. You two don't strike me down. Let's take this out the package, and I'm only going to do one. This bread is so nice and good. You can make it crispy with a little gooey in the middle. Trust and believe me, that's the best way to eat your pizza. Okay, so we got the bread out. Let's start. Do you know what we're making? Look at it. Look. Magic. Yes. Let's go. Oh, look at the flex. I put it in a pan to make it a little crispy. Now I got the parchment paper out, and I'm just getting it just a little crispy how my baby likes it. He likes it kind of crispy on the bottom. You will see when I'm done. You can put oil or no oil. Bow. As you can see, he likes it crispy. Don't judge us. Okay, this is my little seasoning mix I put on there just to do a little something, a little extra. You can use any cheese that you want, vegan or whatever. If you do not want to add any meat and you want to make it just all veggies, by all means, you can add whatever you want on there. Here we go. This is what I added. In the oven you go. To the fire.